Welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Beautiful morning here in my country. It's shining. And well, this is today we start later because we get the high impact news. Remember, I don't work during the news, during the high impact news. Now we are seeing the ATH process. So probably it would take around 2 3 hours, 2 3 weeks, something like this. Well, perfect, my friend. My friend Angry, welcome. Let me read the chat. Alex, mi amigo, ¿cómo estás? Buenos días. IG, good morning, my friend. Marco, welcome. Dinos, Abbas, Jay, Gerjam, Tony, Dunk Master is here. LMS, of course, is here. Tyro, my friend, welcome. Simón, bienvenido, mi amigo. Um, Yo, yesterday, remember we didn't take any position because it was a holiday for United States. For that reason, we didn't take the any position. Not a good idea to trade into the holidays. Labor Day. Yesterday was Labor Day in the United States. Brian desde México, mi amigo, gracias. Un abrazo. Guadalajara, Puerto Vallarta. I lose 500, my friend. Probably you are selling for that reason. You lose it. It will come up, guys. Yes, it will come up. So we got the ATH. So we need to wait the next 1 hour candle ends in 20 minutes. And well, this is the only options what we have. Even I don't care about the information about the news. Let me check. For that reason, I never trade during the news. Some people was asking me like if I going to trade during the news, but no. Well, so all the news was negative for the USD, so it will help to the process to go up. So so yes, guys. The good thing we have another point of entry near to the 95. Probably we will try the 95 position. There we will try the information days. Sorry, the information position. Something like this. And finally, we will see the 2520. It depends. It depends for the next hours, the next minute. I'm preparing a long position in oil. Sorry, I'm preparing a long position in gold. I'm preparing a long position in Nasdaq. Well, not Nasdaq. Sorry, Dow Jones. Dow Jones. Wait for retracement and long exactly. I think we will go up until the fit speak up. Probably yes. Probably yes. uh, we have some experience. Well, the old people in this channel have they know we got um, the ATH process is not that easy. So it's just to open at the long positions, the short positions, and that's it. No short positions. That's really important. Um, just if we have some clear information, yes. But if not, we are not going to open any sell position. Un poco de español, las entradas, hermano, no sé inglés muy bien, mi amigo. Y el siempre enfocado en el punto amarillo, 34.96, por ahí vamos a ir entrando, esperando el retroceso. Esperando el retroceso, a ver qué pasa en los próximos 15 a 20 minutos, a ver si rompemos el all time high y depende, bueno, del movimiento que se dé aquí. Exactly. There any distance global? I think will be grow up until Friday. Probably yes. So well, guys. Today it's a difficult day, not a normal day. A lot of news. Um, Goal is in the ATH process. I opened a long position yesterday into the Tokyo session around 34.92. It made TP 45 pips, not that much. Then it touched the 34.70 and starting grow up. So well, it was really nice position yesterday in Tokyo. Almost was difficult. It was difficult to be honest, but well, we started in the month with successful trade in gold into the Tokyo session. Guys, so I'm going to eat the breakfast and I'll be back. So well, guys, new ATH, new all-time high. Let's wait the retracement. Let's wait the retracement. We got here volume by Sam plus POS. Mhm. Updating the Dow Jones position. So well, I'm going to continue with the pressure. Let me know, guys, your ideas. What is your ideas into the chat? What is the deal? Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good morning. Good night for some people. All time high. Yes, exactly. All time high. Now we're having another all time high. So today is for Pikachu. No, it's not time for sell. Of course, of course, guys. Something important what I need to explain. It's the it's the it's just always never is a bad idea, to open a sell position into the ATH because you are selling in the highest prices. You know, you are selling in the highest prices and everything. But that short, it's around 100 to 100 pips or something like this, with some structure. For example, here in the last ATH, the people who sell there made around 200 pips, and then the price continue up. So, in my opinion, never is that bad idea, to do the sell position, okay, into the ATH. I'm not going to do the sell position, but it's not the worst idea, It's not the worst idea. So, well, today we start with the Dow Jones trade. So let me prepare the information here about the TPS. Three. Okay. Let's see the reactions here. It's great. When should we can plan for sell? How to plan in this type of situations? Marutis. Well, good question. I'm going to finish the trade in Dow Jones, and then I will. This is my cell phone. 5. 45 0 now 6. 1 45 1 6 5. 45, 197, 3, 45, 2, 3, 3, 40p, 45, 3, 6, 1, yes. Okay. For where is the what was that question? Very interesting question. So, well, the question was around the how we can trade as this type of market. It's really easy. Just we need to wait the retracement and then open a long position. This is something what I explain about the. It's not a good idea, to open a sell position and hold that much that sell position. Of course, one day the price will go back to the 34 or something like this. But first of all, you need to be clear. Like most of the time, it's better just continue with the ATH process. Now we have another ATH here in 35.16, and probably we will see a retracement. Okay, it's not that that crazy, to sell the position in to open a sell position into the ATH. It's not a bad idea, but of course it's better just clarify um when when you're going to open the cell with a resistance, with a support. In an ATH you don't have a resistance. In an ATH you don't have a volume sell some. In a resistance just have some levels, with some formal levels. So people expect like, okay, I will sell in 35.25 because it's just a 35.25. So for that reason, I'm going to sell. This is the problem when we have the ATH process. We don't know when the price is going to start to fall. So let's see in the price 35.10. So what is the plan? Yes, the plan is wait the retracement. That's the plan. At this point, it's just I think it's just that that is the only option, the only valid option for this position. Is the trade active? No, unfortunately no. Yesterday was a good trade in Tokyo, 45 pips, not that much, but well, at least it gives us um, a good start for the month. You know, Brand Wayne will plan trade there. Just be patient, guys. Just be patient, please. Pure patience. Um, Try to understand the positions what we have. It's not the it's not an easy position. It's not an easy retracement. It's not an easy decision to sell or open a long position into the ATH process. The ATH process by my side, it's the one of the most difficult type of markets what we have. So so let's see what happens. Pure patience, pure patience. It will go to past the 3516 or it go back to the 3480. It will pass the 3516. I haven't seen your performance last month if you have two trades. You're profitable, yes. You're consistent profitable over the past months. Think, yes, my friend. Most of the trades is like the around 800 or between 800 1000 pips for gold. The other pairs 500 600 pips for the other pairs. Just for forex pairs is like around less pips, of course. But the but most of the time, I was going to say like April was a difficult month. Um, June was very difficult. Just like 2 months, 9 months at this moment, and just like 2 months was really really difficult to almost survive. But yes, most of the time it's a really nice month. Of course, with my losses, of course, with my wins, it's it's all about the patience and the risk management. But yes, I lose some trades, I win another trades. So now Don Jones is falling. I like the reaction there, losing my point. 45, 100. A month into September. Ah, yes, September. Sorry, September. September. Yeah. Thanks, my friend. Thanks. I feel. Yes, now the price is on the 35.15. Most of the time it will go back. Well, let's see. Today with L. Hello, my friend. Welcome. Welcome again. Trying to survive to this beautiful process, but it's not that easy, you know. We need to. It's a must to have patience and everything. How's your morning been, Laurito? My morning now it's holding Dow Jones straight. Yes, well, in Tokyo session, positive for 45 pips in gold. Now I'm holding the Dow Jones straight, almost into the point of entry. So yes, just two trades for the day. I think I would take the last one here around the 35, inclusive 35, inclusive here. That could be a good point. It depends. What is it? For sure, my friend. Just you need to contact me by WhatsApp. Prices updated. It's a $79 1 year subscription. Okay, so just be clear of that. It's not for free. It's a $79 1 year subscription. Biggie P is here. Hello, my friend. Same for you. Nice to see you here. Always is a pleasure. And a full time, my friend. And a full time. For Nova or for Mehakip. Mehak. Mehakip. ¿Planeas comprar o vender? Planeo comprar. ¿Ok? Planeo comprar. Pero tienen que entender que estamos tocando altos históricos. Entonces, va a ser complejo, es complejo, es complejo. Entonces tienen que tener paciencia, mucha paciencia, porque lo que vamos a intentar evitar es bueno, vamos a intentar evitar pues, caer en algún retroceso incorrecto y demás. Pero por el momento es pura paciencia, es pure patience, guys, pure patience. Just relax, okay? And to say relax, go for coffee. Today is a slow day. Today we have a high impact news. And that news help this process to generate another ATH. So for that reason, it's not that easy and it's difficult to clarify the positions. Okay. So well, yes, I don't know if someone is holding a sell position or something like this because it's important, to know. Um, Karelim, por lo menos 3.35.25, por lo menos. I have a sell position Pikachu in 310. So, well, let's expect that the price don't pass it there, my friend. Bro, the market is dead now. The market is not dead, my friend. How you said the market is dead and gold is giving us an 88 an all-time high. That's not true. Can I enter now? No, my friend. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, let's see. Mhm. Close yourselves. It's better. Well, this is depends of the of the people. Ice Wolf. For the down, we are into a consolidation there in 45.5 that 050. If you want to open the trade, yes. Just you need to change the stop around 45.000, for example. No more than that. No more than that. I'm trying to clarify here the position. The pressure will continue. I opened the trade into the middle of the FPG without too much successful. So let's see what we have there. But it's falling so hard. So well, I'm going to wait the 2 3 candles. If it don't touch the stop, for clarify it, but probably it will touch it in the next candles. Let's see what happened. Hard reaction in the last candle. The last candle give us like the old round down. Now it's in a stop in Dow Jones. Come on, Dow Jones. Give the stop. Done whole positions. Perfect. Ah, yes, was so fast. Was so fast. Not a clear reaction. So stop there. Don't hold it. Don't hold positions. So Dow Jones give us a stop. First stop of the month, starting with Dow Jones. Not that good, Pensum. Not that good, son. Though it's breaking the reaction there. Uh, Probably it will hit the 44 900, something like this. Let's see. Hello, Laurito. Hello, David. Joseph. Alcivar, pienso que el precio va a bajar. Es mi pensamiento. Viene Casi una semana, días laborales, así se tiene que corregir un poco eso. Yo sí debería de bajar por lo menos al 35.05 tal vez. It's late to buy now. Yes, it's late. It's late. Do you have more position today? Yes, I will open one trading gold for today. When? I'm not sure. When? I'm not sure, guys, to be honest. But um, let's see. Let's see what we have. ¿Estás considerando que Trump hablará en cualquier momento? Bueno, tenía entendido que faltan 2 horas. I think Trump will speak in 2 hours, not now. Or Trump is coming in the next hour. In 2 hours and 20 minutes. Thanks, my friend Sadrix. Why Tokyo up to 3507 and then waterfall? Yes, in Tokyo we open a long position expecting we can go to the 3510. But that's the information about the all-time height process. The all-time height process is like this, guys. Sometimes we're not going to have the proper reactions or something like this. So it depends. It depends. It was an inflation. You're telling me access price to 74 to 79. Yes, my friend. Every 2 months, every 3 months, I change the prices into the Telegram access, my friend. So good to you if you take the prices for 74. If not, now the price is 79. I think this is the last update for the prices for this year. So yes, most of the time, for example, the last year I update the prices 3 times. We start with $45, I think. $45. Then it changed to 50, 59, then to 64. Last price 74, and now it's in 79. Well, I have my Discord, and there in Discord I have my the pre-recorded videos. The pre-recorded videos about um, the yesterday I created a video explaining the strategy and everything. So it was good for for the um, for the people who understand. For the people, for example, to don't know about what is the volume sums, or what is how I use the, for example, the Fibonacci, or how I use the break of structures. This is something what I recommend. Like into the Telegram, you will see the videos. Sebastian, yes, as you can see, I already note here the stop there in Tom Jones. Unfortunately, we didn't see a good reaction there. And now the price is in a consolidation in our stop. But yes, Dow Jones wasn't a stop hit. Next minutes, 35:21. I think we will go. We can go back. We can go back. For 1 year, including signal education and personal support. For that one, it's the $119, my friend, and it's a lifetime subscription. It's a lifetime subscription. Another ATH. Another ATH. Unfortunately, that's not good. That's not good for our intentions. Hmm. Um, Many people ask me about the how what is what is my recommendation for the brokers. For the brokers, I've, my personal opinion is like it depends of your country. It depends where you're from because if you're United States, of course, it's not it's a different the recommendation. It's different for you. If you are for India, the recommendation is different for you. If you are for South America, Central America, or Europe, the recommendation it's different. It depends of your country. If you want to be into the Telegram, just choose the broker what you want. Most of the brokers will have the same prices. Every then I think they try to have consistent prices. You know, consistent prices. Um, it depends. It depends of your country. Totally. That's my opinion. 35.20. Not a good this. Not a good day for the sellers, of course. Um, let's pray for the sellers. Yes, I know some people wants to open the position there, but as I explain, you guys, is if we open a sell position, we probably we will see that type of reactions like this, not that much. Probably we will see any stop. So today, two trades, 45 pips and down 84 pips in negative. Just the first trading goal was positive. My recommendation always for the people in Telegram, it's always to reduce the lot size for Dow Jones. It depends of the broker and everything, but always is a must to reduce the lot size because for Dow Jones it's pretty easy, to did 80, 90, 100 pips. It can make it easily. For that reason, we use a different stop there. So well, sometimes it's like this. It's your patience. It's your patience. I remember the last ATH was around 3 months ago or something like this. 3 months. So well, I will pray for the sellers. Let's see. Dow Jones re-enter possible ice wolf. I don't think reactions looks great in one hour. For example, if you check the candle in 1 hour, we opened that trade mixing the volume by some into the 45,096 into the resistance zone. Sorry, into the support zone. If you well, I will share for you into the Discord the clarification there, my friend. POS does break. Um, as well, I share the picture there for the for the break of a structure there. It is breaking the zone what we are using. Pleasure, my friend. So well, I'm using XM broker, my pawn and beat the market same, but chart is different, bro. Uh, my friend, my recommendations always, if you want to trade, it's it's a use trading view, my friend. Use trading view is use the charts into the trading view, because if you're using the charts into the your broker, most of the time it looks awful. It looks the structure looks totally different. The candles looks totally different. So it's better, Steve Rose, just continue with trading view, my friend, and then when you take the decision, just take your entry into your brokers, being sure like the prices is pretty similar, like okay, this price is 35.19, for example, and in your broker is 35.19, that 60, or no more than 4 or 5 pips difference, it's okay. So well, again, another ETH. I'm thinking at least we will see 35.25. Well, we have time. The thing is, Donald Trump is coming. Donald Trump is coming. At least we will see 35.25. And let me see. Sell. Okay, no, don't sell. What should I do? Interpreter. Nothing, my friend. Oh, well, let me see. US 30 is holding on 20. It break my son, my friend. Unfortunately, US 30 break my son. So for that reason, I would not open any trade there. It break my son. So for that reason now, I would not take any position there for a long position. Two-time beer traps in gold bulls are a strong day. Yes. Yes, the sellers, unfortunately, for some people here, um, they are not like they are holding sell positions, but it's not that that clear, you know. Yes, perfect. Yes, Steve, you can use it. You can use it. Just be sure of your that the prices is not like difference. I would say inclusive for gold, it's normal to the different prices around 2 4 pips difference. So well, let me clarify something, and I'll be back. Well, not clarify something. I'm going to check the what happened outside. Too much noise. Usman, close your position. Close your position. That's it. Ghost Rider is here. Hello, my friend. Welcome. News update. So probably in the next what? Probably in the next, I don't know, like 2 hours. Yes, Trump is in 2 hours, I think. It will test the 35 20 25. Let me see the 1 hour candle. Okay, this 1 hour candle give us that accumulation there. I think sell for 35, 35, 35. Every 100 pips, it's like now it's on a psychological level. Many people could say, like, we open a position in 35, 25 because it's just 35, 25. So my recommendation is just wait. Now, what is the difficult point here? We don't have any structure. We don't have cell structure. We don't have resistance. That's really important. We don't have resistance. We don't have cell zone. What about cell zone? We don't have cell zone, my friend. The cell zone at this moment didn't exist because this price is an all-time high. Is the graphic is totally new, so we don't have volume cell zone at this point. I think everyone needs to understand that we don't have the that information. Exactly, always in into the middle of that uptrend. For give you an example, always we will see I guess psychological levels, but then psychological levels in this type of process, if we notice the last all-time high, um, it didn't give us like that good reactions, you know. Hola, ahorita podrías de Trump, Eduardo. Vamos a ver, probablemente sí. Probablemente digan cosas positivas acerca del. Yo tengo compras desde el 34.75. Excelente, mi amigo. Entonces, antes de que venga Trump, setea un buen break-even 34.95 por ahí, y lo demás y lo dejas ahí o tomas algún parcial. Si lo quieres tomar, si quieres parcial o algún parcial en 33.25 está excelente. Ujú, ujú. Ah, pero sí, today we have to take trade or no? I don't know, my friend. It depends of the this market. I expect to see a good reaction in 35.25. To be honest, cuando en ese caso está muy disputado, me parece, sí, correcto. Because in everything, because everything is collapsing. Yes, well, not that hard, not that hard. For example, Dow Jones yesterday, I think yesterday, yesterday was near to the all-time high. Now it's a hard retracement, but they continue very close to the all-time high. So same for Dow Jones, same for everything. You know, it's not that hard. If you ask me why, it's just pure speculations about the interest rate mixed with the news today. It gives us that. It's typical for gold to consolidate for age. Then the trend like no tomorrow retrace, then repeat. Yes, probably yes. So well, let's see. As I told you guys, this is not that crazy. Like um Well, good reaction into the 35.25. So, so good reaction. Finally, a good retracement for the sellers. Let's catch the retracement. That's the thing, that's the thing. Probably that retracement, it's not like the best option, that is probably is not the best option for clarify the position because it's a little retracement in 15 minutes. It's not that hard. So you can see buyers losing the reactions on. Hmm. On the is very tricky and risky to trade. Exactly. It's a really difficult process. Right, check your order block or not. Well, just wait, guys. Just let's wait. We have around 30 minutes. We take the one trade. We don't have that much, to be honest. Brother, you can check the order. I was packing, so I was only in half. I'm back to 35, 35. So let's see. Let's see, guys. Just be patient. Not too much to do, to be honest. Um, 3 minutes, and the retracement is very, very weak. If there are a strong reaction, yes. I bought at 34.70. Really nice. And TP 34.83. It seems too early. Yes. So next time, just open your position and set your break even. The break even, when you see, do some partial for that reason. Sometimes I do some partial and set the break even easily, easily to clarify positions. Pero bueno, seguimos esperando. No se puede hacer mucho. We just close your orders. So, well, nothing, guys. The reaction was so hard into the, well, not too hard into the 35.25. Still there into the ATH. So well, guys, again another ATH. So the price will continue with the uptrend. So that means we don't have too much opportunities to open the trade now. Trump is coming. Well, this process, the ATH process, it's not an easy one. It's not an easy one. It's difficult. You need to be extra patient. So, so well, for that reason, today we don't have the opportunities. I see the opportunity into the Dow Jones, but well, Dow Jones give us a hard reaction. It break the sun. Not too much. So for that reason, guys, it's better just stay away for today. Trump is coming. Yesterday we can do nothing because it was a holiday in the United States, Labor Day, and today high impact news and Donald Trump is coming. And for that reason, we are not going to take the trade. I'm sorry for the people in Telegram. I'll be back in Tokyo session. For the people here, I'll be back tomorrow in New York session, guys. I really appreciate everyone here. If you're interested to receive support, there is the link for WhatsApp. It's not for free. It's a $79 1 year subscription, guys. So I really appreciate the your time. I really appreciate your support. I know everyone here was um, expecting a good trade and everything, but guys, it's impossible by my side if the price don't give us the proper retracement, and it's impossible by my side if Donald Trump is coming, as probably he's going to say some crazy things for today. So just stay safe, guys. Respect your accounts. We are starting the month, so we have many opportunities to take another trades. So don't fall into the desperation to open trades and everything. Try to understand and respect the information there, please. Okay? Respect your accounts, guys. If you are no if you are not if you are no into a trade, don't fall in a trade now. Okay? Don't fall in a trade now. Relax. People in Telegram, I'll be back in Tokyo. People in here, I'll be back in next New York session. Guys. So thanks, and stay safe, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for your time, of course. Hopefully, you understand that this process is not that easy. You can stay away of the market at least for the next session. See you guys.